Hello, this is Randy Ewart of CT Sped Math Dude. This video is on the Common Core of State Standards Coherence Map for math. This is an interactive map or flow chart showing you how all the math standards are connected together. Let's say you're a special education teacher in high school teaching slope. You're writing an IEP math objective for slope. Well, this mapping will show you the prerequisites that lead up to slope. And so if you're addressing those prerequisites, progress through those prerequisites would constitute progress towards mastery of the objective. So let's take a look at this map. To help you out, I have a blog post that walks you through all of this and has screenshots and descriptions. So you can take a look at that. Just go to my website and then search for Coherence Map. So here's a little hack to help you get started. So you're not sure where in all of these standards that this topic falls. Well, you can go to the website for Common Core State Standards Math and then click on download the standards. Up pops a PDF on all the standards, a lot of information here. But then you say, well, I need to find slope. We'll do a search for slope. And then you're in high school, so go to the high school section. And here we go. Interpret the slope, rate of change. That falls under the cluster interpreting categorical and quantitative data, and that's under S, statistics. Surprise, it's not under algebra or functions, but it's under statistics. Regardless, you know where it is now. You know that it's under statistics, interpreting data, and it's number 7. So now we go to the map. So this is the page for the map. It's the website is Achieve the Core, and then the page is Coherence Map. You go there. I never remember where it is. I just do a Google search, click Get Started, and now it shows you all the grade levels. Well, I'm in high school, so I'm going to go to the high school. These are the different cluster domains. These are the different domains of math. We saw that it was in statistics. Then it gives you the clusters. Well, it was under ID for interpreting data. So I'll click on that. And then it was number 7. And there is my standard, interpreting slope. So that's what I'm going to write an IEP objective about, or that's what I'm teaching in my class. Well, let me see what the prerequisites are for this. So I click on Map the Standard, and now you get into the interactive part. Off to the left, you'll see some other standards with arrows pointing to your standard, which is real big in the middle here. So these are off to the side prerequisite skills, and then above and sometimes below, you will find related standards. But we're looking at prerequisites. Well, here's one. This one's for, and you can read through them, but here's one from 8th grade. So you can click on that, and you can see what leads up to your particular standard. And then you can look over here for 7th grade. And you can go backwards until the end of the map here. Now, sometimes the map, this is a little quirk, the map stops. Well, I'm like, wait a minute, we're dealing with proportions, which deals with multiplication. I know there should be some stuff that comes before that. If you're going backwards and you hit a dead end, here's a little hack. I'm going to go to grade level up here and find 7 ratio proportions 2. So I'm going to go to 7th grade, ratios and proportions 2. Oh, there's the same one they just showed me. I'm going to click Map to Standard. Oh, now it's giving me prerequisites for that. So you can keep going back until there is nothing further beyond. And this thing will take you back. This progression will take you back to actually first grade. The way it works is you have repeated addition in first grade or second grade. First grade is equal signs. Second grade, it's repeated addition. Third grade, it's groups of objects. Fourth grade, fifth grade, it's group of objects relating to multiplication, and then multiplication word problems, which leads to proportions, which leads to slope. So there's a really there's this very lengthy progression of all these prerequisite skills. And for those of us working with kids with special needs, we know that the gaps can go pretty far back. And this is a systematic way of identifying those prerequisites. So I hope you find that helpful. Take a look at the map, and good luck.